Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito kay XRP, kung saan ang sabi rito ay how $100 in weekly investment in XRP can turn into $1.4 million in February 2024. Kaya yan, paano raw ang $100 na weekly investment dito kay XRP. Ibig pong sabihin ay kung mag-i-invest daw po tayo ng $100 yan linggo-linggo dito kay XRP, ay paano kaya ito magiging magiging $1.4 million ngayong February 2024. Kaya yan, atin pong aalamin kung paano mangyayari yan. Pero bago po tayo magpatuloy, ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, sabi po rito ay here is how you would have become a millionaire this month if you had invested $100 weekly in XRP from September 1, 2013 to date. Kaya yan, ito raw po yung kung paano raw po tayo magiging milyonaryo or maging isang milyonaryo ngayong buwan na ito. Kung nag-umpisa daw po tayong mag-invest kada linggo ng $100 dito kay XRP nitong kung kailan ay dapat nag-umpisa daw po tayo nitong nakalipas na September 1 taong 2013 hanggang ngayon. Kaya yan, like most cryptocurrencies, Ripple affiliated coin XRP has shredded most of its value due to the massive volatility that has rocked the entire market in recent times. XRP current performance. According to data from CryptoRank, XRP is down by 17.4% year to date. Similarly, XRP was down by 0.7% in 24 hours to 0.508. The coin is also down by 4.1% and 12.5% in weekly and monthly charts respectively. Kaya yan, bagsak na bagsak po ang performance ng XRP base po dito sa datos ng CryptoRank. Sapagkat yung kanyang year-to-date or YTD ay bagsak po ng 17.4%. Yan, nitong nakalipas na 24 oras ay bagsak po siya ng 0.7% at naglalaro po siya ngayon sa presyong 0.508. Ayan, sa kanyang weekly naman ay bagsak po siya ng 4.1%. At yung kanyang monthly ay bagsak din po siya ng 12.5%. Kaya yan, bagsak na bagsak talaga si XRP. Despite registering huge losses in the daily, weekly, and monthly charts, the 6th largest cryptocurrency is up 23.6% since February 2023. Kaya yan, maski yan, bagsak na bagsak daw po siya sa kanyang daily, weekly at saka monthly charts, ay siya naman po ay may pinapakitang gain. Yan, kung ang ating pagbabasihan ay mula pa noong February 2023. How $100 weekly investment in XRP can turn into $1.43 million. Kaya yan, paano nga ba ang $100 na lingguhang investment kay XRP ay pwedeng maging isang $1.43 million. It bears mentioning that XRP is not a new cryptocurrency. It is officially started trading in 2013, over a decade ago. While most XRP investors might be underwater, investors who use DCA or dollar cost averaging investment strategy for XRP since its debut could have been in major profits by now. Kaya yan, syempre yung talagang mga early investors ni XRP ang talagang kikita ng malaki rito. Pero kung ganito na medyo matagal na, ayan, at well-established na po siya, ay yan, medyo mahihirapan po tayo. At unless na alam po natin yung yung tamang timing kung kailan po tayo papasok dito. Kasi yung mga bagong cryptocurrency ay yan po yung talagang sa umpisa ay may chance po na yan po yung makakapagbigay ng malaking gain. Pero syempre si XRP ay hindi na po siya bago. Ayan, well established na po siya. For instance, an investor who committed a $100 weekly investment into XRP from September 1, 2013 to date would have invested $54,400 using the DCA strategy. Kaya yan, kapag magda-dollar cost averaging daw po tayo mula noong September 1, 2013 hanggang ngayon, ay ayan, meron na po tayong total investment dito kay XRP na umaabot po ng $54,400. Ayan, however, that investment would have been valued at an outstanding $1.43 million with an XRP currently changing hands at 0.507. This represents a remarkable surge of 2,533%. Kaya ayan, ngayon ay yung investment daw na ito. Ayan, $54,400 ay nagkakalaga na daw po ito ngayon ng $1.43 million. Base po yan sa kanyang kasalukuyang presyo ngayon na nasa 0.507. Kaya yan, meron po siyang paglago na 2,533%. $100 weekly investment in XRP to $5.31 million. In a similar development, investor who used dollar cost averaging strategy and committed $100 weekly to XRP from September 1 to September 1, 2013 until the coin peaked at an all-time high of $3.40 on January 7, 2017 would have made massive ROI. Kaya yan, kapag yung mga nag-dollar cost averaging naman daw po noong September 1, 2013 at nakapag-take profit po sila noong nagkaroon ito ng nung inakyat po niya yung kanyang all-time high na $3.40 noong January 7, 2018 ay sila po yung kumita ng malaking ROI dito. Investors in this category would have spent a total of $22,700 investing in XRP through DCA strategy. However, the investment could have been worth $5.31 million when XRP was trading at an all-time high, representing a spike of 23,311%. Kaya yan, kung pag nag-invest daw po tayo ng $100 kada linggo simula noong September 1 taong 2013 at nakapag-take profit tayo nitong January 7, 2018 kung saan ay umakyat po sa $3.40 ang presyo ni Ripple ni XRP po pala. Ayan, 3.40. Ayan, ito po yung kanyang all-time high. Ay yung ating $100 na weekly investment dito kay XRP ay yan, magbibigay po yan ng kita na $5.31 million. Kaya yan. Can I still become a millionaire via XRP investing? Ayan, pwede pa kaya na maging milyonaryo tayo sa pamamagitan po ng pag-i-invest dito kay XRP? Many investors miss the opportunity to become millionaires using the above-mentioned dollar cost averaging strategy. However, there is still a likelihood of XRP turning more average income earners into overnight millionaires. Kaya ayan, marami daw pang mga investors ang yan, nami-miss yung kanilang mga opportunity para maging milyonaryo. Ayan, sa paggamit lamang po ng dollar cost averaging. Ayan, yung sa mga hindi nakakaalam kung pag dollar cost averaging ay bili lamang po tayo ng bili sa specified or sa mga scheduled mga yan, sabi natin katulad nung halimbawa dito na linggo. Yan, kada linggo ay bumibili tayo ng $100 na XRP. Yan, dollar cost averaging na rin po yan. Pwedeng araw-araw, yan, daily, weekly at saka monthly. Pero yung daily ay nakakapagod po yan. Yan, mas maganda po pag weekly or monthly. Ayan, pero ayan, sabi po rito ay meron namang pag-asa yung mga bagong mga investors ni XRP ngayon na kumita or maging overnight millionaires. And the coin was down 85% from its all-time high in the hours leading up to press time. XRP also missed out on the opportunity to register a new all-time high in 2021 like most crypto assets did. At the time, XRP was caught in the middle of an intense legal battle between the SEC and Ripple. Recall that in December 2020, the regulator alleged that the Ripple offered and sold XRP as an unregistered security. However, a federal court in New York dismissed this argument in July 2023. The court ruled that XRP in and of itself is not a security. It also held that XRP coins sold on digital exchanges via blind bid-ask transactions do not constitute an investment contract. While it is unclear whether the SEC will appeal the ruling in the Second Circuit, the court's decision gives XRP a solid footing in preparation for the upcoming bull market, which might commence at any moment. Additionally, Ripple has also been engaging in critical partnerships that could further bolster XRP adoption, especially as a payment method. These factors could help XRP spike tremendously in the upcoming bull market. Meanwhile, there is a need to tread carefully when investing in XRP as there is no guarantee that the coin could surge tremendously in the future. Kaya ayan pong muli, napaka-epektibong paraan ang pagda-dollar cost averaging. Yan, kahit anong cryptocurrency pa yan or digital asset yan. Maging sa stocks ay napaka-effective na rin ang dollar cost averaging. Kaya ayan, at base po rito ay meron pa tayong pag-asa na kumita ng milyon or maging milyonaryo sa pag-i-invest dito kay XRP sa pamamagitan po ng dollar cost averaging technique or strategy. Kaya ayan, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan ay pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siya magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.